Dacoda Endicott, I'm 23 years old and I'm an automotive spray painter at Leven Smash Repairs in Mudgee. I've always had a passion for old cars, and from a young age I was in the shed helping my dad and uncle sand down cars that they were building. I watched our family's hot rod being painted at LSR in 2005, and 10 years later I started my career here. I have been lucky enough to become extremely successful throughout my years working as a painter. In 2016, I was awarded a scholarship through TAFE that allowed me to take part in additional training at the PPG training facility at Eastern Creek. In 2015, I started my apprenticeship as a spray painter, and upon completing my apprenticeship, I have also started to learn to become an estimator. In 2018, I was awarded Apprentice of the Year at the Midwestern Regional Clock Awards, competing against a range of talented apprentices from all different trades. By furthering my knowledge within different fields of the company, this has allowed me to take part in learning a whole new skill. I've learned from the best within the team at LSR, as well as had the opportunity to complete local courses and training in Sydney. Being a woman in a male-dominated industry is not only challenging, but also extremely rewarding. I have been able to learn and work alongside some of the most talented tradesmen. Having women step out of their comfort zone and work in the smash repair industry not only helps change the dynamic of the workplace, but also helps shape stereotypes of what women are being seen as capable of doing. Often women aren't encouraged to explore different fields of work, and there are always going to be people who doubt their abilities, but at LSR I was welcomed like no other. If there was any piece of advice that I would give to women looking at pursuing a career in the automotive industry, is to stay committed and not be afraid to give something new a go. My partner Jake and I have just purchased our first home, and our weekends are spent working either on our house or fixing up one of our many project cars. 3 years ago, I resprayed my HR Holden, and with the help from the team, we had the car looking brand new again.
Look at us now. Look at us now.
I have formed so many incredible relationships with people who I never thought I would have been lucky enough to meet if I hadn't followed my passion and dreams. Every day I'm learning something new and furthering my knowledge and understanding of the automotive industry.
Our dreams before us.